Hello. This video will illustrate the difference between the standard Viper articulator and the new and improved Viper Neo. This model has been in existence now for about 8 years, and it's widely used. A lot of our customers are happy with the way it works. However, we have decided to improve it, and basically just with the Viper Neo, what we've done is we have given it a stronger clasp, and as you can see, the one on my right is the Viper Neo, the one on my left is the standard Viper. With the Viper Neo, it's wider, so you're going to have a better lateral and protrusive movement. We did this to strengthen the clasp so there's more stability. As you can see, this one here is your standard, the standard Viper. The clasps are a little thinner. This one here, we've thickened the clasp, so it's a little more rugged, it's a little stronger, it provides more stability. Now, putting these together in the standard Viper, as you can see, you have movement there. You can do lateral and protrusive, but you don't quite have the same movement as you would with the Viper Neo. Let me illustrate that. Here, the Viper Neo, basically the best way to join the two halves together is to put them together this way and then pinch them in with your thumb. So you can see right there, you're going to have better lateral and protrusive movement. Now, one thing about this new design is since you've got a thicker clasp, it has more tension, and some of our customers find that tension just a little bit too tight. Well, yeah, there's a couple ways to deal with that. First of all, to remove it, we recommend that you use both thumbs. You pull the clasp apart and release the ball. Okay, so that facilitates how to put snap them together. Again, you basically take the clasp and pull it apart, and it comes out easily. So what we recommend too is to lubricate the ball so you get better movement. Sometimes a different batch of plastic, has different characteristics. Sometimes it depends on the batches that you get. Some of the plastic itself, this is the ABS plastic. In some batches, sometimes it glides better, and in some it doesn't glide as well. So what we do is we recommend that you use any type of lubricant, really, shop lubricant. Even if you could even use cooking oil if you have to. In this case, I have a standard lubricant, all-purpose lubricant, and I just put a little dab here. You really don't want to put any more than that, and just quickly dab the ball. That's all you need to do. And you do the other side here too. And this amount of lubricant is sufficient to lubricate an entire box of the Viper articulator. So at this point, you put them together, you push it in there, and you're going to have much better movement. Now, if that if it's still a little too tight for you, what you can do also is you could pull the clasp out a little bit to weaken the grip slightly. Don't pull it out too far, or you'll break it, but enough that it just kind of loosens it, and that also helps with the tension. It's a little lighter now. So basically, that's the only the difference between the Viper Neo and the standard Viper. With the standard Viper, it has a much weaker clasp, so it's easier to take it in and out, but at the same time it's not as sturdy, it's not as stable as the Viper Neo. Once you have glued the Viper Neo, another method that you can use to loosen the tension on the clasp is to basically just take the glued Viper Neo and on the stone base and basically hold it this way and just do this probably anywhere from 10 to 20 times. Just keep doing lateral and protrusive movement. That will help loosen it. Make sure you hold the Viper Neo in this manner here, so you can help support it while you're running it through this motion. This way, it just helps to secure it, so you don't put any more stress than you need to. This is just if you just do this anywhere from 10 to 20 times, it really helps it. Also, the just opening it and closing it, this will definitely help to ease the clamping force of the clasp. So that's another way of helping to loosen that tension.